Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by telling FL Studio which hardware to use. Open Options Audio, pick the ASIO driver for your interface, and set the sample rate. Next, route your keyboard to the input channel on the interface and create an audio track in the playlist. Once done, enable input monitoring and arm the track for recording so you can hear what you play. Make sure latency is low. If it feels off, reduce the buffer size and test again. Now route the input to a dedicated mixer track and give it a clear name so you don't lose it later. Insert any processing plugins you need: EQ to shape tone, compression for level control, and reverb on ascend for space. Adjust the input trim so peaks do not clip. Aim around -12 dB RMS to leave headroom. Once you have processing in place, test record a short take, listen back, and tweak gain or effect settings until it sits well in the mix. Hit the playlist record button and perform. You can use the metronome or an external click to stay tight. After recording, trim silences, apply fades to avoid clicks, and normalize or adjust clip gain for consistent levels. Consolidate or render the clip to a single audio file. Finally, export via File Export, choose WAV or MP3, set bit depth to 16 or 24-bit, and confirm the sample rate matches your session. If you hear latency or dropout, reduce the buffer size or increase the ASIO priority in your driver settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.